you go. Try to get him in the head. Alright, you got him.
Hot damn! Woo!
Watch those rocks there. Alright, get ready. When he comes out, shoot him. Shot. Alright, we'll finish him off right there. There you go. Good shot. Ah, there's one.
Get him, Otis. You got him. You got him.
Oh, good.
See him there?
Good shot. Alright, here we go.
Oh, he's a smart one.
Good shot. There we go. Oh, good shot. Good shot, Otis.
I'm getting the hang of it.
Yes, sir. Hang on. Okay. There you go. Good shot. There's another one. There he is. Oh, man. Nice shot. That was a hell of a shot. Got 2 more dogs up there ahead of us, so try to get this one knocked down. Good shot. Finish him off right there. Okay. Right here. Alright, keep an eye on that one, Ben. We'll get this one right here. Good shot. Good shot. There we go. Good.
He had a buddy.
Yeah.
There's a yote right out there.
Yep, sir. Right, get him right there. Get him, get him. Good shot.
Ben, you got all but 2.
Yes, sir. Doing pretty good.
I may have to use some of your ammo.
Negative.
Shot. Got him. Got him. Okay, you gotta push the top. Yeah, there's another one. I don't know where that little bastard went.
There were 2 that run off this way.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there he is right there. All right, if you get a shot there, shoot him.
I must be out of ammo.
Okay. Mangy. Looks like he needs y'all to put him out of his misery. Good shot. Oh, somersault. There you go.
There's a yote.
Yes, sir. I got one right here, too.
Boy, they're mangy on this end.
Yes, sir.
See that one in the field, 12 o'clock?
No, sir, I don't.
He's at about 10 o'clock now in the field. 10 o'clock, way out there.
Yeah, I got you there. I'll go get him, come back, look for that one that was in there. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Good shot.
Way to go.
Oh, good shot, Otis.
Way to go.
All right, finish him off there.
I'm getting the hang of it.
You got her. Good. Okay.
Yep.
Oh man, good shot.
Thanks, Gideon.
What's that? You bet.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.